Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the addition rule from probability theory. So the way that works is if you have the probability of A or B, this is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So minus the probability of A and B. So let's go ahead and do a simple example of applying this formula. Okay, so let's say that we are going to roll a six-sided die. Okay, so we have roll a six-sided die. What is the probability of getting a 3 or an even number? So A here is going to be 3 and B is going to be even. So this is going to be the probability of rolling a 3 plus the probability of an even number minus the probability of rolling a 3 and an even number. And we're only rolling a single die. So let's go through it. The probability of rolling a 3. Well, on a six-sided die, there's only one way for the die to land on 3. It lands on 3. So there's one way for the die to land on 3, and there's 6 ways for the die to land. The probability of rolling a 3 is the number of ways for the die to land on 3 divided by the number of ways for the die to land, so 1 over 6. Plus, we want the probability of an even number. So what are the even numbers between 1 and 6? That'd be 2, 4, and 6. So there's 3 even numbers between 1 and 6. So there's 3 ways for the die to land on an even number, and there are 6 ways for the die to land. So 3 over 6. Minus, and here's where it gets fun, right? So 3 and even, well, that's impossible, right? There's no way you can roll a single six-sided die and have it be a 3 and an even number because 3 is odd. So this, of course, is 0. So we get 1/6 plus 3/6, which is 4/6, which is 2/3. Now, is this always going to be 0? No, it's not always going to be 0, but yeah, kind of cool. If you want to learn mathematics, I do have courses. Check them out. They're on my website, mathsorcerer.com or freemathvids.com. They're actually on the Udemy platform, but if you get them, please use the links through my website. I've lowered the prices for all my math courses, so if you use my links, you should get the lowest possible price. And if you found any value in this content, feel free to subscribe if you want to. If not, that's okay. The key takeaway from this video is that this is the addition rule for probability, and this is how you use it. And hopefully you learned some mathematics. Good luck.